Hi superstars! How are you all doing? I'm so pumped to be here with you. Remember that we've been diving into the past simple? Yes, the tense we used to talk about completed actions in the past. Yes, that happened a while ago. And no, don't forget the treatment for regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs like play, walk, or talk just get the cool ed ending, but the irregular forms like see, eat, do, or have totally switch it up. We need to memorize them, okay? Yes. So, are you ready to dive into historical events? Yes. Okay, here we go with the amazing travel machine. And this time we are going to explore super important historical events. Let's just see, and I'm not going to choose, just the machine. Okay, come on, show me the first date. All right, okay. The time machine has selected July 20th of 1969. Okay, let's just go. Whoa! Okay. Where are we? We are on the moon. Yes, that's the Earth. I love it. And check this out. There is a spacecraft called Apollo. All right. Let me tell you, on the 20th of July in 1969, humans traveled to the moon for the first time. Humans traveled to the moon. Amazing! Can you believe it? Yeah. And can you see the verb traveled? Yes, with the suffix ed in a past form, past simple. Let's write down into my diary. Yes, I want to keep everything. Now, let's go and explore the second date. Come on, time machine, tell me where to go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. The date 12th of October of 1492. Okay, let's just go. Oh, okay. Wow, where are we? On a ship. And what's that? I got it. That's America. And this is Christopher Columbus' ship. Yes. I now remember on the 12th of October of 1492, Christopher, the captain of the ship, saw America for the first time. He discovered America. How amazing is it? And can you see the verb saw? Yes, the past simple form from see. Great. Okay, again, write it into my diary. Well done. And now let's go and explore another event. Come on, machine, pick the date, pick the date. You pick the date. December 17 of 1903. Okay. Do you know what happened on that day? I don't. And I'm very curious to find it out. Okay? Let's just go. Whoa! Okay. Wow, what a huge airplane. And it's taking off. But what happened that day? I know. Yes, the 17th of December of 1903. Yes, the first flight happened. Yes, the Wright brothers made the very first plane ever. I love it. I need to write down into my diary. And again, can you see made? Made is the past simple form of make. Oh, wow. I've loved these trips. I've discovered so many things with you guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello, my friends. Okay, so we are here and again working with the past simple. What is the past simple? Is the form we use to talk about past completed situations, habits, or frequent moments that, just happened regularly. Remember that we have one rule for the form. Regular verbs, we need them in infinitive with this ending, ed. And then for the irregular verbs, we just need to create new forms. Now we need to complete the blanks, remembering, okay? So let's go. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Trouble, troubled. Practice, practiced. Brushed, brushed. Come, combed. And then for wake up, what? Woke up. For do, did. For have, had. For get, got. For take, took. And for eat, ate. Okay? Yes, and we also have them here. So now we need to connect in this second activity. We need to connect the different verbs, and I'm going to use markers. All right? So let's go for it. Wake up. It's woke up here. All right. Walk. Let's go. I'm going to use these two markers, like blue and pink. Walk, walked, walked here. Do, did. Talk, talked. Eat, ate. Trouble, troubled. Take, took. Practice, practiced. Have, had. Yes, here. Brush, brushed. Wow, how many lines? Come, combed. And get, got. Fantastic! Good job, guys. Bye-bye.